Hi, it's me. Hi guys, so today I'm gonna plant some of my stone bed mix. I got it from my friend, and I think these are evergreen centrivivum or something. Uh, so yeah, I just watered it and I'm gonna try to use it in this clay pot. I don't really know how I want to put them together, so I will try, just try it. Maybe like these, and these are kind of in the middle, like here. Let me see. Or maybe this like here, and this in between. Yeah, they like to be very crowded. We actually use these on our roofs. I can show you later. Yeah, maybe something like that. So we have this here and the hanging from the side. Yeah, I can do that. I think that will be very beautiful. And I have my potting mix on the side. And let me see if I can get some mix out. I have lots of gravel and leca balls or leca clay balls. So I have gravel, leca and some soil mixed together. I also have some shading fiber for the hole, so there no soil will be draining out while watering. So let's try this. I'm so excited. Thank you, Sebastian. I think we need more inside. More kind of like these. Yes. So I will put everything in. So kind of like this. And then we have oops. Oh no! Oh look! Dirty! So I have to wash it off. So this one here. So another one over here. Oh yeah, this one here. Always save the spots. Need more gravel. Oh, I see. I need to have something else in the middle. Oh, these are so beautiful. So, put this here. And this one here. So now I will just fill the holes in between. In the middle. Or some of this. I think I have to take that off. Dead flowers. So I don't know. It's okay, dense and nice. And maybe I can have this may take over, or no? Oh, damn it. So we can have one here, and the other one. Yeah, I think so, because this can hang and this can contain the balance. So I have a tiny one left. I'm gonna have to squeeze it in. Yeah, here. I have to snip these flowers off. And put this one here in the middle. Yeah. Nice and crowded. So a little bit of space. So yes, I think that we did it well. So what do you think? We have this kind of hanging ones, the dense ones in the middle, and then the other ones. We will see what this would be. And I have a little bit more to do.